Hey Reddit fans and marketers, Reddit just dropped 2 AI-powered tools to supercharge ad engagement. Are these the secret to winning the ad game? Welcome to GadInsider, your help for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into Reddit's big AI reveal. Reddit stepping up its ad game with 2 new AI tools, Reddit Insights and Conversation Summary Add-ons. Announced on June 18, 2025, these features help brands tap into Reddit's vibrant communities for better engagement. With AI taking over advertising, is Reddit about to dominate? Keep watching for the details. Reddit Insights is a real-time data goldmine for marketers. It lets you spot trending topics, test campaign ideas, and track what's buzzing across Reddit's communities. Whether you're launching a new product or tweaking ads, this tool gives you the edge to stay ahead. In a slow economy, real-time insights could be a game changer. What do you think? Conversation Summary Add-ons are next level. Brands can now pin selected user comments under their ads to show what Redditors are saying about the topic. It's like showcasing authentic public vibes right in your ad. This builds trust and sparks engagement, making ads feel more like a Reddit thread. Pretty smart, right? These tools come as AI reshapes advertising on platforms like Snap and Pinterest. Reddit's move follows WPP Media's report of a global ad growth drop from 7.7% to 6%, citing US trade policy shifts. Brands are leaning on AI to stay competitive, and Reddit's betting on insights and summaries to keep advertisers hooked. Plus, after last month's revenue beat and Google search traffic concerns, Reddit is doubling down on innovation. Reddit's AI push builds on recent moderation and analytics updates, making the platform a powerhouse for creators and brands. These tools could boost ad performance while keeping Reddit's community vibe authentic. Are you excited for smarter ads or worried about AI overload? Drop your take below. That's the scoop on Reddit's AI ad tools. Are you hyped for Reddit Insights, or are conversation summaries stealing the show? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love the scoop, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.